Hi everybody, welcome back. I've got another spoon video for you. Again, this is just me practicing with different painting styles, and I'm just trying different things. So I'm just showing you guys what I've done, and if you guys have any advice on how to make things better, go ahead and throw them in the comments for me. But yeah, I'm just kind of playing just to see what I can get away with. So the spoons in front of you were all painted with Tamiya paint. And I'll try that sentence again. Sorry guys, it's been a long week and today's my transition day back from night shift to day shift, so I only slept for a few hours, so I'm a little loopy. I think Friday night or Saturday, I painted these with Tamiya paints. So they got a black gloss coat, and then I put silver, Tamiya chrome silver over that. And then what I decided to do is, instead of spraying the next colors over it, I decided to use, I got these little sponges. Well, actually these were, I think these came out of a figure kit, like a wargaming figure, and this was just the packing that was with it. So I tore it up into small pieces. And what I did was I ended up sponging the color on. Let's see if I can get some more light on this so you can actually see this. And may not make it better. Anyway, so what I did was I took, on this particular spoon, so again, it's got a black gloss coat on it and then the chrome silver. And then I sponged Tamiya flat white onto it, as you can kind of see a little bit in there. And then I sponged a Tamiya copper on top of that. Then I went and airbrushed the clear red over that. And actually it's kind of washed out here, but when it's laying down, you can actually see the color a little bit better. And again, this was just an experiment by me, just to try something, right? I was kind of going for like maybe a little bit of a marble effect. It didn't quite work out that way. But I think the results actually turned out okay. A little bit more experimentation, especially with the color combination that you're sponging, and then the clear, the red clear or whatever color clear you're going to put over that can really enhance the two colors that you put together for the sponge. I hope that made sense. So let me just show you this one. I think this one's a little bit better. This was, again, flat red, flat yellow, and then coated with clear red. And it does actually show up, like I said, it shows up a little bit better when, I don't know if it's light or whatever, but it does actually show up. This one might be a little bit better. You might be able to see it a little bit better. So this one, sponged copper and then flat green on this one. And then I coated it with clear green. I think this one actually turns up pretty well. You can see this one a little bit better. Kind of get the idea of what I was trying to attempt here. So flat blue, flat yellow, and then clear coated with blue. Or did the blue clear over it, not clear coat, but blue clear over it. You can kind of see it in there. And obviously, the way I was thinking about this is, right, so obviously, you put blue and yellow together. you know, it should mix, right? So the clear blue over the yellow should give you a different color, but then it should also enhance the blue that's also on that, which is kind of what I was thinking. You know, so you should get a little bit of green out of this and then some vibrant blue, which is kind of what I was thinking would happen. Again, this is just me playing. This is flat green and flat blue with the clear blue over that. You can see this one definitely stands out a whole lot better. Here's yellow, flat yellow and flat white with yellow over it. Here you can really see it. You can see all the sponge work in there. This one is gold and bronze with orange over the top of it. Then this last one was bronze and flat red with smoke. I think out of all of these, this is probably my favorite combination. I think this one turned out the best, just color combination wise, and just kind of how the effect at the end of it looks. Yeah, so down in the comments, let me know what you think. I'd like to hear, you know, if anybody's tried this before, what your thoughts are with this. I think this is, like I said, I think this is probably my favorite. And I will say that just laying them out here like this, you know, you can kind of see a little bit difference from when I was holding them up. What I'll do is I'll see if I can take some stills of them. Maybe it'll come out a little bit better, but you can kind of see a little bit of the gradations in color across here. Something else I wanted to show you. I've been playing with the splash paints and I've been enjoying them, and they just released their candy colors. So they suggest you put their hyper silver down over a gloss black primer or finish. Put this down over that. And then these are the candy colors that I bought, and then I'm gonna have to try these out. So this is blue, violet, red, and this one is root beer. So I'm gonna do some more experimentation with these paints too, and maybe I'll get that done this weekend or something. So that's really all I have. I don't have any progress on the Corvette because I am taking everybody's suggestions, and I'm going to give a shot at trying to strip off the 2K Clear and then strip the paint so that I can get a better color, get rid of this dust that's on here. So several people suggested sanding down the flat areas and getting the clear off of there, then putting it into the strong, I think it's called Strong Power, which I have to still go by, and then stripping the body and then just having it go at it again. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Other than that, that's all I got for this video. I really wasn't trying to make this a very long one, but it's turning out to be close to 10 minutes. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and I've been trying to keep up with everyone's videos and commenting and everything. So, everybody's doing some wonderful work out there. Keep it up. And thank you to my new subscribers. I do appreciate it. I just took a look. I think I'm about 12 or 13 subscribers away from 400 subscribers, which is pretty amazing considering I never thought I'd ever have 1 subscriber. So yeah, thank you. Thank you to everybody out there who has come back to the channel again and again and again to listen to me babble. With that, everybody have a wonderful day, wonderful rest of the week, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.